Have you ever taken a shower, applied deodorant, and still noticed underarm odor a few hours later? If you're tired of underarm odor and nothing seems to work, stop scrolling. I've been using alum for my underarm odor, and honestly, it has worked amazingly well for me. I don't even feel the need to use expensive deodorants anymore. Today I'm going to share the two exact methods I personally use. One takes just 2 minutes, and the other is a simple DIY spray you can make at home. Watch until the end, because these small tips can make a big difference in keeping your underarms fresh all day. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, let me know in the comments which country you're watching from, and if you enjoy natural health and beauty remedies, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Body odor is usually caused by bacteria breaking down sweat on your skin. Alum, also known as potassium alum, has natural antibacterial and astringent properties. It helps reduce the bacteria responsible for unpleasant odor and can keep your underarms feeling fresher for longer. Keep in mind that alum helps control odor, but it does not stop sweating. The first method is the easiest. After taking a shower, wash your underarms and dry them gently. Slightly wet the alum stone with clean water. Now rub the wet alum gently over your underarms for about 2 minutes. Allow it to air dry before wearing your clothes. This method helps keep underarm odor under control throughout the day. If you prefer a spray, here's another simple method. Take a small piece of alum and grind it into a very fine powder. Add about 1 tablespoon of alum powder to 100 milliliters of plain water or rose water in a clean spray bottle. Shake well before each use. After your shower, spray on clean, dry underarms and let it dry naturally before getting dressed. The rose water gives a pleasant fragrance, while the alum helps reduce odor-causing bacteria. Important tips. Always do a small patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. Do not apply alum on freshly shaved, cut, or irritated skin because it may cause stinging or irritation. Which method would you try first, the alum stone or the alum spray? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more natural remedies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.